IQ and general knowledge quiz. What comes next in the sequence? 2, 4, 8, 16? 32. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. If you rearrange the letters Sifapk, you get the name of AN. Country. What is 25% of 160? 40. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. Complete the analogy. Book is to reading as fork is to eating. Which country has the most time zones? France. The clock shows 3:15. What angle is formed between the hour and minute hands? 7.5 degrees. How many you got it right? Comment them down below.